Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video. We're going to take things slower today, doing soft breath to guide our spine, moving gently, slowly, deliberately in a gentle spinal motion. Bring your legs in diamond shape, heels touching. If you need to raise your sit bones, please sit on a yoga block, a few stacked up towels, or a couple of stacked up yoga mats. Start by curling your spine and slowly arching your spine. So as you curl your spine, you gently exhale, drawing your belly button in and up. As you arch your spine, you inhale. Curling, connecting to your center, and arching, looking diagonally up, opening your chest. Gradually, you will feel your spine start to flow. As you curl, make sure you are still on your sit bones. Don't bring your spine too far back. As you arch, of course, continue to stay on your sit bones. We want to arch and curl in a balanced way, using our breath to guide us. Exhaling in curling and inhaling in arching. Straighten your legs out, flexing your feet. Continue the arching and curling. Curling your spine, exhale. Inhaling, arching the spine. As you curl your spine, exhale and look down on your knees. Arching, looking diagonally up to the sky. You can also bend your leg if you like. You don't have to keep it absolutely straight. Now from here, bend one leg and gently rotate to the same side. So in this case now, I'm bending the left leg. I'm rotating to the left side here, arching the spine a little bit. Curling as transition at the center, exhale. Inhaling, arching sideways, and exhale at the center, curling the spine, arching, looking sideways. Again, exhale, curl, inhale, rotate and arch, exhale, curl, and inhale, rotate and arch to the other side. Keep your movements slow and deliberate. Gradually feel yourself curling a little bit more here, and of course, arching a little bit more. Elongating, opening, and expanding the movement of your spine gradually a little bit more each time. The breath helps us do that. Bring your legs back to diamond shape here. And you're going to start to side bend gently from side to side. Side bend, exhale, and exhale to the other side. So for this one, your inhalation is really short here. Doesn't matter. Exhale, opening up the ribs. And exhale to the other side, opening up the ribs. Keeping both sit bones equal, rotate and spiral diagonally to the side. Continuing with arching, inhale. Curling, exhale. Repeat the same on the other side here. Now note that my legs are in diamond shape. My heels are touching, and see how my legs are active. They are not flopping down to the ground or floor. We don't want that. We want the legs engaged. We want the inner thighs still active so that we have the connection to our core and center while we are moving the spine. From here, we come back to straightening one leg out and arching, spiraling on the side of the bent leg, and this time do a few counts on one side. Curling, exhaling, arching, and inhaling. On to the other side. Alright, now from here you're going to just do a gentle forward bend. And interlace your fingers, curl your spine, point your toes, reach your arms forward, arching to bring your arms up and flexing your feet. Now from here you're going to bring your arms up into an arch and inhale. As you curl, sweep your arms forward, you exhale. Again. Slowly inhale, open the chest, arms up, exhale, curl back. And flexing your feet, inhale, curling, pointing your feet, exhale. Feel like your spine is going to a slightly wavy motion here. That's a good thing. Bring your legs back to diamond shape and rotate your spine from side to side as a transition. Rotating from the base of the spine, again, not your shoulders or your head, but the entire torso, base of the spine, is where you rotate from. Now do a gentle arch and curl here, but this time you're going to involve the arms. It will help us to deepen the curl. On exhalation, arms up. Inhale, arms down, arching the spine. Curling, exhale, arms push forward. Inhaling, holding a shin and arching. Again. Exhale, curl. Inhale, arch. Bring your arms higher if you like, curling deeper and arching more. The breath will help us to go deeper. Last couple of times here. Exhale, curl deeper. Inhale, arch and open more. And slowly bring your arms back here. And I hope you enjoyed this soft breath, gentle spinal movement video. Let me know how you feel in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll be back with more gentle spinal movements video. With that said, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.